Carey with DrillFit Training. I am going to show y'all the dumbbell lying hamstring curl on a slight inclined bench. This is one of my favorite hamstring movements. You get a lot of control over the movement. Biggest, most important tip is going to be squeeze your butt as much as possible, and that's going to push your hips down into the pad, keeping the concentration in your hamstrings the entire time. I'll go ahead and hop in and show you a couple of reps. So a little tip on getting into this on your own. It's best to do with a partner, but if you don't have one, lay down on the bench, kick your knees off to the side of the bench and just grab the dumbbell with your feet, and then you kind of have to just pop your knees up onto the bench and you're good to go. Making sure you have a tight grip on your feet. Start to lower the dumbbell to almost full extension before your knees lock out all the way, and then squeeze everything to pull it back up to the top. Keeping your toes really tight as you come down so the dumbbell doesn't fall out. Squeeze as you come back to the top. My glutes are staying squeezed the entire time I go through the movement. When you're done, you can just lower it to the ground and then drop. It's an excellent hamstring movement, keeps great concentration the whole time. Also gets a little bit of the adductors from having to hold that dumbbell together. That is the lying dumbbell hamstring curl on a slight incline.